Over 100 years ago, we invented and started to use plastics, produced from petroleum, every day. We know that plastics serve many useful purposes, but we have since discovered the impacts of plastic production on the environment. It emits harmful greenhouse gases, and the plastic is difficult to recycle and reuse, which damages our ecosystems. How can we continue to benefit from useful materials without having the ecological problems that plastic disposal creates? How can we reduce the use of petroleum and the emissions of greenhouse gases while ensuring the safe packaging of everyday products?
Usable packaging is a project that intends to develop highly functional packaging based on waste derived from the food industry. The idea of the project is an organic recycling end of life, where we start from waste, valorize it into packaging, and back to waste.
In recent years, new technologies have been developed to use more sustainable sources to produce bio-based materials. This reduces greenhouse gas emissions, but it also allows us to create bio-based products which can be composted, as they are biodegradable in organic waste systems.
This convenient cost structure is possible thanks to the technology used in this project and also to the fully circular approach to feedstock sourcing that we are developing.
The way to demonstrate the basic research activities of the Usable Packaging project is to scale up the results to a pilot scale level, therefore having the opportunity to confirm the basic assumption into a new, closer reality.
This technological revolution is at the heart of the Usable Packaging project, which uses the byproducts of the food industry to produce a material that can be organically recycled through composting.
Putting those materials back to soil through the industrial composting process is one way in which we can help close the circular loop between cities and farmland by regenerating our bio-wastes and putting them back to soil.
The Usable Packaging project is a perfect example of the new circular bioeconomy, which answers many of the challenges we have when studying the need to reduce our footprint on the planet. The new solution is usable packaging.